The Australian state of Victoria has reported a record jump in new infections. There were more than 1,800 cases in the past 24 hours. Now, that's the highest daily tally reported by any Australian state since the start of the pandemic. But authorities say Victoria is still on track to reach the vaccination target needed to lift restrictions.
We're not going up at the same rate as we were in the previous weeks. I think that's a good sign. I think we're heading to the peak, if today isn't the peak. And I don't think it is, but I think we're close.
Triage tents have been set up outside many Melbourne hospitals. The Australian Defence Force has been called in to assist paramedics as the hospital system comes under strain. Now, at the same time, Australian doctors have warned that easing COVID-19 curbs in Sydney too quickly could put pressure on the healthcare systems and risk lives. The city is preparing to ease restrictions on Monday after more than 100 days in lockdown. Daily infections in New South Wales have risen to 646. That's up from more than 580 yesterday. Most cases have been detected in Sydney. The state hit its vaccine target, though, of 70% this week. Officials have a staggered plan to ease limits on gatherings as inoculations rise to 80 and then 90%. While people will be able to move freely around Sydney from next week, restrictions on travelling to regional areas, well, that remains.